Hello everyone, welcome to Tech with T. In this video, I am going to show you how to install MySQL and PHPmyadmin in Ubuntu and symlink it. In the previous video, we installed the PHP and Valet in our machine. If you need the advice for those installation, you can watch that video or in the I section in this video. Without any further ado, let's install MySQL and PHPmyadmin. So we have to run the update command. So now we have to install MySQL server in our Ubuntu. So run this command. And now run sudo MySQL command for adjusting MySQL authentication. Write sudo MySQL to entering the MySQL server, and now we have to select user and authentication things, and now we have to set the user and host and password. You can write your own. I will go for the password. It is more secure and it show us to it will affect the row. Now flash privilege to adjust everything, and after the flash privilege command we can exit the MySQL server. So we have to run this command again for updating the packages. And now we are installing the PHPmyadmin, which is very helpful. So during the installation, if you face any difficulties, follow the below link, and I will give those links and documentation in the description section, so you can track them. Yes, we want to configure DB with PHPmyadmin, and now we have to enter the MySQL password and re-enter the password for the confirmation, and it will connect with MySQL. And now we have to symlink, but before that we need to give the permission for PHPmyadmin, and this will give permission to symlink. Now you can come back to root terminal and run this command, and with this command we are giving permission to PHPmyadmin folder to install to link with the wallet. So I will show you. Now we have to go var www and now open the terminal, and we have to go in PHPmyadmin folder. Open the terminal. We have to link with valid. So first command is valid park, then valid link, and the last command is valid links. So it will join the path with valid. So we have to just paste the URL in our browser, and we can browse the PHPmyadmin. So yes, we are successfully logged in. If you like the video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. And till then, goodbye.